Hello friends, this is Swingdoji and I hope you all are fine in this pandemic situation due to COVID-19. And today I'm going to visit the beautiful waterfall that we have here in Jomotshangkha, and it's really beautiful and tall waterfall. Maybe I'll take around 15 to 20 minutes to reach there. So guys, as you can see up there, a beautiful waterfall is there, and it's very tall waterfall, and it's very nice and it's very beautiful. So it's around 100 meter or 200 meter from. It's around 200 meter from here. So I'm about to reach there. I can feel the breeze from here itself. So guys, I have made out to this beautiful waterfall. As you can see, it's just behind me. It's really beautiful. It's falling from up there and it falls down here, and I like the reef that created like these. And wow, it's so refreshing, and the cold breeze that I can feel, it's really satisfying. So guys, now I think I'll have to take out my DSLR and I'll take some beautiful picture of this waterfall. guys, finally I have taken 2 shots with mobile phone, and it was really difficult to take with the DSLR because of the waves and the breeze, and my lens was getting wet and there were some water droplets that I can see through the lens. So it was very difficult for me to take photo with DSLR camera. However, I've taken 2 shots with the mobile phone, and it was really wonderful to be out here, and that's the reason why I choose to go out in a wild and enjoying nature like this. So this is the one of the beautiful waterfall that is here in Jomotshangkha. There are also some other waterfall in Jomotshangkha, so soon I'll be also taking you guys to all those waterfalls. I mean, I'm going to show you all such beautiful falls. So for today, so once more, I really enjoyed out here, and I hope you guys will also enjoy after watching this video, or I hope you guys will enjoy my video. So I think I'll have to wind up, and before winding up or signing off, I want you guys to subscribe in my channel and please support me. Thank you so much, and see you soon guys. Bye bye, take care.